Reverse automatic braking is a driver assist system that is another powerful addition to Subaru's suite of advanced safety technologies. Reverse automatic braking works to detect objects directly behind the vehicle when backing at a low speed. It can help bring your vehicle to a stop should an object more than 1 meter high be detected within its range and the driver fail to act. Depending on the range of the object detected, the system may apply automatic emergency braking to help prevent a collision. This provides drivers with greater safety and peace of mind when reversing. This video will help illustrate how the reverse automatic braking system works on Subaru models equipped with this feature, and what you can expect to experience when this driver assist system is engaged. Here's how it works. The reverse automatic braking system is made up of 4 ultrasonic sensors installed in the rear bumper, which detect objects when reversing. If a wall or an obstacle is detected behind the vehicle when it is reversing, the system will notify the driver with warning sounds and may activate the vehicle's brakes automatically. The system is made up of 2 functions. Function 1 is rear obstruction warning, which will alert the driver with a warning sound that will vary depending on the distance between the vehicle and the object behind it. The second function is reverse automatic braking, which detects objects behind the vehicle, first suppressing acceleration and then applying the brakes automatically to help avoid a collision or reduce collision damage. The reverse automatic braking system is activated when the select lever is set to R and when the vehicle speed is within the 1.5 to 15 km/h range. When an object is detected when reversing, the range of the detected object will be indicated on the multifunction display. If the vehicle continues to reverse and the system determines a collision with an object may occur, short warning beeps will sound. A warning message with the range of the detected object will also be indicated on the multifunction display. If the vehicle continues reversing and the system determines a collision is highly likely to occur, a continuous warning beep will sound and automatic braking will be applied. The system will cause the vehicle to stop. After the vehicle has been stopped by the system, the driver will need to depress the brake pedal. Until this happens, a message will be displayed on the multifunction display and the continuous beep will remain sounding. After the brake pedal is depressed, the reverse automatic braking system off indicator will illuminate and the system will stop operating temporarily. The system will operate again the next time the shifter is returned to the R position. Reverse automatic braking is one of many safety features available for Subaru vehicles that provides drivers with greater peace of mind.